Hello! In this video I will show you how to set a mowing direction on DREAME Roboticmower A1. So you have to start by opening your DREAME app, and now you have to click on your Roboticmower icon. Now you can click here on the settings icon, and here you have to scroll down. And here you can set mowing direction, and you can use custom mowing direction, and you can set mowing direction by using the joystick, and then click confirm, then click got it. And you can also click auto change mowing direction, and it will every day will be different mowing direction by 5 degrees. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.